So this is Michaela doing video number 4. So I went ahead and solved these beforehand because I had to rewrite it about 3 times because I mess up at this so much. So first one is find the derivatives of all these compound functions. First one is f of x equals 3x minus 4 over 2x minus 8. So I'm going to use this formula, I believe it is called the quotient rule, to find the derivative. Basically, I'm going to take g times f prime minus f times g prime over g squared. So, following that, that's going to be g, which is 2x minus 8, times 3, which is f prime, because when you find the derivative of this, it only comes out to 3, minus f, which is 3x minus 4, times g prime, which is only 2, because all of this derives down to 2, divided by 2x minus 8 squared. So when I FOIL these out, it comes out to 6x minus 24 minus this all FOILed out, which is 6x minus 8. The 6x's cancel, and I get negative 16 on top, and this bottom stays the same, 2x plus 8 squared, which I have the answer for over here, but I wanted to show my work down here. So that's negative 16, 2x plus 8 times 2x plus 8, which is going to be negative 16 all over, disregard this, all over 4x squared plus 32x plus 64, which all of those I can pull a 4 out of, and I get 4 times x minus 4 squared, which reduces down after I cancel the 4's to negative 4 over x minus 4 squared, which is the derivative of the original function. Alright, so the second one is f of x equals 6x squared times the quantity 4x to the 5th minus 3x plus 2. So I'm going to use this formula. I believe it's called the product rule, I think, which is basically when you're timesing f, which is 6x squared, by g, which is 4x to the 5th minus 3x plus 2, by each other, the way you find the derivative is to take f times, I believe, yes, f times g prime plus g times f prime. So I went ahead and put over here everything f of x is, g of x is, f prime is going to be 12x, g prime is going to be 20x to the 4th minus 3. So when I come over here, 6x squared, which is f, times g prime, which is 20x to the 4th minus 3, plus g, which is 4x to the 5th minus 3x plus 2, times f prime, which is 12x. And then move down, FOIL both of these out. I come to 120x to the 6th minus 18x squared, plus this all FOILed out, which is 48x to the 6th minus 36x squared plus 24x. Combine like terms of x to the 6th, so I get 168x to the 6th. Combine x squared terms, minus 18x squared plus minus 36x squared is minus 54x squared, and then 24x is just left by itself. So that is the answer, the derivative of this whole big guy right there. And then moving down, so this is finding the derivative of f of x equals 3x to the 5th plus 2x to the 3rd minus 7x to the 14th. I believe we call this the chain rule. So I went ahead and separated everybody into y and u. So y is going to equal some sort of number to the 14th, and u is the inside part of the function, 3x to the 5th plus 2x to the 3rd minus 7x. Y prime is going to be 14u to the 13th, and u prime, the prime of the inside, excuse me, the derivative of the inside, is going to be 15x to the 4th plus 6x squared minus 7. So the way that this made sense the most to me was basically to take y prime, plug u into y prime, and then times it. Sorry, excuse me, pardon me. So I'm going to take 14. This whole part is u, which is the original inside part of the function, to the 13th, times the derivative of the inside function. So this whole big, massive thing is the derivative. Alright, I think I got all the rules right on this. I don't know if you really wanted us to tell you, but it kind of helps me keep things organized, kind of like with the flow chart that we did with limits. So, yeah, there we go. Thank you.